Okay, hello everyone. So this is a class on Studio Code, Visual Studio Code, how to start, how to create a file, how to save, and every other thing. So the first thing we are seeing on our window is new file, open file. As you can see, a new file, open folder. So the first thing we are going to do is to open the folder. So you click on open folder. So let's save our file in desktop. We are creating an HTML file. So create a new folder in desktop, click desktop, and click new folder. And what name should you call it? Let's call it no, let's rename the folder. Let's call it web design 2023. Okay, so enter. So we've saved a folder named web design 2023 on our desktop. So any work we're doing now, it reflects in this folder. So click select folder. Alright. Alright. So let's create a new file. So we have files like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and likes of others. So we're creating an HTML file. So click on HTML, click on new file. So they're asking you, look, we have test file. They're asking you now, what type of file are you creating? Is it HTML? Is it CSS? Is it JavaScript? So we are creating an HTML file. So what is the name that you want to use to save your HTML file? So let's save it as introduction, then dot html. Right. So click on this one here. Then you can see that it's saved on this our folder, web design 2023. So click on create file. Now as you can see, there's an icon, this less than and greater than sign. It means it's an icon for HTML. So when you see this sign here, it means it's an HTML file. CSS has its own icon. So we've created a file in a particular folder. Alright. So let me put you through some things. So here now we have our settings. I hope you can see this. Manage. Click on it. So we're seeing many things. Command palette, settings, extensions. So I want to show us how to change our color theme. And this color theme right now is dark. So let's click on it. So as you can see, we have lights, we have quite light and rest. So let's change the color. Let's see what it's going to be like. Let's click on light, Visual Studio. So we've changed the color to white. What I prefer is black, so dark. So let's change it back. Color theme. Alright. So we've done that. And then in case you want to create a new file again, you can go to file here. You have file, new window, save as you can see. Then edit. We have undo, redo, copy, paste, then selection, as you can see, then view. Just go around it and you see more things. So this is just how to start. Alright. Okay, let's create our first HTML page or document. So as you can see what I just did, I just typed the exclamation mark and it gave me my HTML skeleton. And what is HTML skeleton? That is just like all the things that are enclosed in HTML. Do you understand? So this is what is enclosed in the HTML. This is everything that you need to run the HTML. So you can see from the doc type HTML, HTML language, head. So we have the doc, starting from the doc type HTML, and we have HTML, and we have the head, we have the body. And HTML here is the opening here, is the opening. You can see the closing here. What is this one here? Closing. Then the head, this is the opening head, and this is the closing head. So this is just the HTML skeleton. So let me undo, read Ctrl Z, and do it again. So if you want your HTML skeleton, just type your exclamation mark, shapes 1, then enter, as you can see. So whatever you are going to do, if you want to put a paragraph, any write-up at all, it should be in your body. So this is our body, right? So let's create a paragraph. Okay, so let's your less than sign, click on it, type it, then paragraph P, and close it. That's your greater than sign. So as you can see, it has automatically opened and closed it for us. So this is a paragraph. This is a symbol for paragraph. Alright, so let's type this is my first paragraph. Okay, so this is our first paragraph. So if you want to save, let's save it. Go to file here, and that's save. Right, so save. You can see, go around here and see what it is. So I've saved. So now how do we run our HTML? How do we view it? You can view your HTML file with any browser, but preferably Chrome, Google Chrome. So let's go to our folder. Our folder is Web Design 2023. Open it. So as you can see, our file is here. Introduction. So open it. Or you can open with Chrome. I don't know how yours will show. So if yours is not shown with Chrome, just open with Chrome. So you see, open with Google Chrome. So let's see. Hope you can see. It's showing. This is, let me zoom in. This is my first paragraph. So I think as alright, this is my first paragraph. So let's do this and okay, so let's do this and see if you can get it. So don't forget to if you find this video useful and educative, please comment and like, and most especially subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget. Thank you very much.